Today, please introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Junalina Perparan, 29 years of age. I am a single mother and I have one child, ma'am.
Okay, what is the age of your child?
7 years old, ma'am.
Okay, so is it a boy or a girl?
Boy, ma'am.
Okay, so are you the one taking care of your child since his birth?
Yes, ma'am.
And who will look after your child if you work abroad?
My father, ma'am.
Okay, so how many sisters and brothers do you have?
I have one brother, ma'am.
No sister?
No sisters, ma'am.
Okay, so what is your highest educational attainment?
I am graduated in Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Technology, ma'am.
Okay, so do you have work experience as a domestic helper abroad before?
No, ma'am, but I work here in domestic helper with a couple of 2 kids, ma'am.
Okay, so it means you work here in the Philippines as a domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what are the ages of the kids of your employer?
4 years old and 6 years old, ma'am.
And what are your other duties?
My duties are household chores like washing, cleaning, marketing, and ironing the clothes, ma'am. And my priority is taking care of the kids, ma'am.
Okay, so are you also cooking for the family of your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
How would you describe your previous employers?
They are good to me, ma'am.
And is there another helper in your employer household?
No, ma'am.
How would you describe yourself as a worker?
I am hardworking. I can work under pressure. I can manage my time to do work, ma'am.
Okay, so do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am.
And did you undergo any kind of surgery before?
No, ma'am, but I have neck disorder since birth, ma'am.
Okay, so can you guarantee that your neck disorder cannot affect your work performance in your employer's household?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad for save money for my children.
Okay, so are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of a baby in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do if the baby did not stop crying?
I will check the baby temperature and it will stick. I will tell madam, ma'am.
What will you do if the children are naughty or not listen to you?
I will talk nicely and be more patient, ma'am.
Okay, can you sing a nursery song for kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please give me a sample.
5 little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 but 4 little ducklings back.
Okay, thank you. And do you have a food allergy?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to share a room with the kids or elder in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay if your day off is not Saturday or Sunday?
Yes, ma'am.
Would you accept no day off but instead to be paid by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
If you are homesick, would you break your contract and insist to return home?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so would you like to work with an employer who has many children?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of an elderly also?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to get up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
Okay, do you have full consent of your family to work abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please say a short message to your future employers.
Good day, ma'am. If you select me as your domestic helper, I will finish my contract and extend if I needed. I am trustworthy, hardworking, and can work every time, ma'am. Thank you and God bless.
Okay, so could you promise that you will love the children of your employer like your own child?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's all for today and thank you for coming.